time is passing away. What we started almost a month ago, hoping that we would have ample of time to prepare for Ramadan, to get our hearts right into the right place, to experience the most blessed Ramadan of our life like never before. We find ourselves now in Shaban. Time is indeed going ahead very fast. And as you realize that how quickly the time is passing away and how quickly it is Shaban all of a sudden and Rajab is finished, you understand why did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam make this dua that Ya Allah, make the month of Ramadan, make of month of Rajab and Shaban a month of barakah for us. Because one of the things that comes with barakat is that you have more time. You feel that you have more time. The time remains the same. You still have 24 hours in the day, but you get to utilize these 24 hours in a more better way. You won't be sitting here after a month has passed away and you're thinking, oh my God, so much time has already passed away. I'm only left with a month. Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Shaban. Allahumma, Ya Allah, put barakah for us in the month of Rajab and Shaban. But we should also be at the same time be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we still get to do a lot in this time that has passed away. Allah gave us the tawfiq from the very beginning of Rajab to start worrying about the month of Ramadan. Despite our travels, despite our other commitments, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept on giving us the opportunity, kept me assigned to the task of preparing and conducting these lectures, and kept you committed to attending or listening to the recordings of these lectures. So this is tawfiq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It could have been that something or the other would have happened because of which we could have not spoken about it at all, or we would have not even bothered like so many other people in this dunya who are not at this point in time worried that the month of Ramadan is about to come. So we must thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the barakah that He had already given to us. And inshallah, if we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for it, we can have this ummeed from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He will give us more. So with that hope of more barakah, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that now in the month of Shaban, Ya Allah, make every second of it precious for us and allow us to make the maximum use of it, so that we are prepared for this beautiful month of Ramadan as it comes and hits us.